Hi, my name is Preetha. I welcome you to my channel where nostalgia meets luxury. Every bite tells you a story. For today's video, we're going to make a very simple but lovely chicken gravy with potatoes. If you enjoyed my velvety potato gravy from the past, you'll definitely like this chicken gravy. Let's get started. This is one of those recipes when you're coming back home from work tired and exhausted, but you still want to have something a little satisfying. You gotta try these things. Grab a kilo of onions and cut them in slices and keep it ready. We're also going to need about 600 grams of potatoes. Peel them and cut them into 1-inch sized pieces. Just lovely when you can get some help, isn't it? Now watch for the right moment and try to get all the work done by the lovely assistant. Sweet, that's all done. Now let's put that in a bowl with water. Move it aside. And then gather all our powder ingredients. Let me get them on the plate and I will explain them to you one by one. I've got a teaspoon of chili powder, then half a teaspoon of coriander seeds powder, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds powder, half a teaspoon of nutmeg powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, cinnamon stick 2 inches long, then salt to taste. So these are our powder ingredients for this recipe. Next up is chicken. I'm taking 1 kilo of chicken cut in pieces. Let's grab some oil, add it to our sauce pot or frying pan. Wait for the oil to get hot and add the cinnamon piece. Wait for a few more minutes, then we can add the onion slices. Continue cooking until they get soft and translucent. Now you're ready to add the powder ingredients. Cook until the raw smell of all the ingredients is gone. At this point, I've got two powders that look the same. Let me take a quick sniff and let you know what they are. One is nutmeg and the other is coriander seeds powder. The white powder is the rock salt. Switch it off. Let it cool down. I won't grind the cinnamon piece, it will be in the frying pan. Now we'll grind our mixture into a fine paste. Add a little bit of water and grind it well. This gravy is perfect for rice, rotis or noodles. You can easily serve 6 to 7 people or even 8 people with this measurement. And also it can be refrigerated and had for multiple days. Once a ground mixture has cooked for a few minutes, say 4 to 5, we are ready to add the chicken pieces to the gravy. Now let it cook on medium flame and add a little bit of water so that our mixture doesn't splatter. After the chicken has cooked for about 10 minutes, we can go ahead and add our potato pieces to it and continue cooking. Cook until the chicken and the potatoes are done. That's it, we're ready to serve. Let me quickly serve this up and show you. So, what do we have here? Well, we have the perfect blend of the spices in the right quantities, cooked for the right amount of time at the right temperature to bring out the individual flavors of all the ingredients in it. There you go, enjoy this gravy. There you have it, our lovely chicken gravy is ready for us to enjoy. Give this recipe a try and let me know about it in the comments. I'll see you guys with my next video post. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.